When you're buying in bulk from estate sales, auctions, pallets, marketplace, how are you really estimating profit? Even experienced buyers make bad purchases from eyeballing inventory. Nothing worse than overpaying for items you're looking to flip.
The truth is, you don't. You either lowball, impulse buy, or rely on an internal calculator with a little bit of luck to turn a profit. Sure, that's okay if you're a hobby seller. What if this is how you pay the light bill or put food on table? This is serious business.
I stopped wasting time on slow, unreliable apps. So I took a hiatus from YouTube and spent 60 days straight developing a solution. Along the way, I dove into computer vision, machine learning, and neural networks.
This is what I built.
AI is evolving, and so is the hustle. We're not guessing anymore. We're calculating.
Insta ROI 2.0. Let me show you estate sale mode. First, I'll dial in my settings. Average shipping $8. Fees look good. Here's a bin of 10 items I picked up last week from a neighborhood garage sale. Watch how fast we can calculate profit. The workflow is pretty simple. Snap a pic, tap the price paid, snap pic, tap price. You get the idea. I even scored a Tiger Zord figurine for my personal collection. Always nice finding deals out there for yourself. All 10 items captured in about 30 seconds. Now I'm in the itemized report screen. Apps already pulled visual matches in the background. I tap the closest match for each item. First item are some Serena and Lily sheets. The results came up empty. This is where the repair button comes in. Uses deep visual search across the internet as a fallback. Looks like there's a match on Macari for $185. I'll use $100 for my comp price. Gives me some cushion in case I need to do several markdowns to get it off the shelf. Rest of these, tap match, tap price to autofill, move on. Less than 3 minutes, complete analysis on 10 items. Photos captured, comps pulled, accurate ROI calculated, and now I'm in a position to make an informed offer. Watch this, they wanted $75 for these Gucci slip-ons. I adjusted it to $50. ROI updates instantly. Real-time decision making. And we're done. Total haul from Saturday morning. $185 invested. $654 potential profit. 353% ROI. I've timed myself doing this manually, using paid apps, Google Lens, eBay's app, and switching back and forth to the calculator and notepad. I average 2 to 5 minutes per item just to get a ROI. With Insta ROI, 4 taps per item. That's 90% less data entry. You can research 50 items in less than 10 minutes instead of spending hours second guessing yourself. How many deals have slipped through your hands because you're too slow to pull the trigger? Next week, I'll show you the bulk lot workflow, how to analyze dozens of items from a single photo in a matter of minutes. Perfect for online sourcing. Facebook Marketplace, Goodwill Auctions, OfferUp, Craigslist, all of it.
Insta ROI launches in 10 days at $14.99 a month. Waitlist gets priority access. If you're serious about reselling, links below. See you in the Discord.